high voltage.
The Makemakika Ho'opili'ia is an applied mathematics project developed by the DOE Leeward District. Session 5, Kite Making, is being conducted by technology resource teacher and kite enthusiast Kelvin Chan.
Some of the factors in making a good kite would be symmetry, also balance, and having the kite as light as possible. Makemakika is a Leeward District project in the Department of Education where we bring together teachers, parents, students, and administrators, and we apply mathematics to kite making and flying. We want to create a positive, enjoyable environment in mathematics so that the kids and parents and teachers, that they could really appreciate mathematics when they see it in the real life world. They could use these actual skills so when they become engineers, they could apply, like let's say if they major in aerospace or aerodynamics, then they could apply what they learn.